Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something really exciting for you. We're taking a deep dive into the 2025 GWM Tank 700 in its stunning red color. This is a car that's been making waves for its rugged look, luxury touches, and incredible performance. Let's take a closer look. Starting with the exterior, the GWM Tank 700 is all about imposing presence. It's big, bold, and packed with details that scream adventure. The red paint is a real showstopper, catching the light beautifully and giving the car a refined yet aggressive look. The grille at the front is massive, framed by sleek LED headlights that not only look good but provide great visibility. The sculpted bodywork, wide wheel arches, and chunky tires give this SUV a muscular stance, while the roof rails and side steps hint at its off-road capabilities. It's a car that'll stand out on any road, whether you're cruising through the city or taking it off the beaten path. Moving inside, the GWM Tank 700 continues to impress with its blend of luxury and functionality. The cabin is spacious, with high-quality materials used throughout, from the soft leather seats to the premium trim accents. The dashboard features a large digital display, making it easy to control everything from the media system to climate control. The center console is sleek, with intuitive controls for the driver. There's plenty of room for both front and rear passengers, ensuring everyone gets to ride in comfort. And let's not forget the cargo space. This is an SUV built for adventure, with plenty of room to carry all your gear. Now, let's talk about performance. The GWM Tank 700 doesn't just look tough, it's got the power to back it up. Under the hood, you'll find a potent engine that delivers impressive horsepower, making it perfect for both on-road cruising and off-road exploration. The four-wheel drive system ensures you have the traction you need when you're tackling more challenging terrain, and the advanced suspension system provides a smooth and controlled ride, whether you're navigating city streets or rough trails. It's clear that GWM has designed this vehicle to be as versatile as possible, with a focus on both performance and comfort. Finally, let's talk about the price. The 2025 GWM Tank 700 sits in the premium SUV category, and with its impressive features and capabilities, it's priced accordingly. You can expect to pay around $50,000 to $60,000 depending on the variant and the options you choose. It might be a bit higher than some other vehicles in the same class, but when you look at what you're getting in terms of design, performance, and luxury, it's a pretty solid deal. So, to wrap it up, the 2025 GWM Tank 700 is a stunning SUV that combines rugged performance with refined luxury. Whether you're looking for a vehicle to take on tough off-road trails or one that will make a statement on city streets, the Tank 700 has got you covered. Let me know what you think of the car in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching.